Natural home remedies for blackheads. Apple cider vinegar. Make use of this following a steam bath. Apply some ACV for your face and allow it to dry. Don't however rinse. This can take proper care of your blackheads in addition to whiteheads. Lemon. Squeeze the juice from half a lemon and give a pinch of salt into it. It is among the simplest recipes to battle the persistent whiteheads and blackheads. Use the solution around the quantity the thing is the traces of blackheads or whiteheads or both. Wash your face after 20 minutes with warm water. Yogurt. You may make yogurt both at home and have it from the confectionery or sweet shop. It is really an essential item at the kitchen. But, that as well is really a natural combine for taking out the blackheads and whiteheads out of your face. You are able to have a spoon of yogurt and it having a Ricey substance, whether it is an oatmeal or sugar, and apply around the portion in which you have blackheads. Rub together with your fingers and take away with water after couple of minutes. Warm towel. Dip a gentle towel in certain warm water. Squeeze the water immediately later on. Lie lower lying on your back and set the towel in your face. This helps to spread out in the pores onto the skin. Make use of this remedy not less than 10 minutes every day. Also, make use of this remedy during the night before you hit your bed. Soapy salt mix. Combine 1/2 teaspoon of salt with 1 teaspoon of liquid soap. Apply this combine around the whiteheads after, rub the combine lightly evidently. Wash the face using cold water later on. Continue doing this procedure several times per day until to observe the outcomes. The whiteheads should vanish inside a couple of days' time.